Hey yo, welcome back to Smash Burger Smash Fest, day number 99. Only 2 days left to go. So I'm getting 2 of the burgers that I like the best. So today, I got my favorite of my concoctions. And that is the Chozo Spicy Boy Crispy Chicken Sandwich Volume 2. That has crispy chicken sandwich. It's got a spicy ciabatta bun, pepperjack cheese, Pimina cheese. It's got jalapenos, guacamole, a fried egg, bacon, tomato, lettuce, and yellow onion. And it's badass and it's spicy as shit. And it is my favorite sandwich that I created. My favorite Chozo created sandwich. So, without any further ado, we're gonna get into this monster. Look how big this is. Oh my god. Now this sandwich is bar none my favorite. It's just everything that I could ever want now in any type of sandwich. It's so big. Mmm. Mmm. This sandwich comes off a little bit on the expensive side, but holy shit, are you full after eating it? Oh my god, it's so good. Yeah, there's definitely a reason that's one of my favorites. Yum, yum. Day number 99 is done and in the books. We have tomorrow is the last day. And I will eat my favorite regular smash burger. That's a drum roll. Anyways, thanks for hanging out. Like, comment, subscribe. I don't know what food series I'm going to do after this, because I'm going on a diet. I gained 30 pounds doing Smash Burger Smash Fest for you people. Yikes. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'm Chozo. Deuces.